This is a short, quick video on Greek roots. You don't have to take these notes. Our first Greek root is gen. And the definition to gen is kind or race. One word that we've been seeing, like when it comes to corn, is a gene. A gene is a kind of something. So the meaning of kind here is not like kindness, treating someone well. No, this is a kind of thing, like a kind. And so our last section here is an example. A gene is a code inside a cell. An example of the part gen or gene inside of words is generation or genetic. You're going to be using these words in your turn book today. Okay, start to make a little mistake here, as you can see. Our next word root is phys. Like the word part of physical. Phys refers to nature or body. Well, you can see how physical refers to body. And I have an example in a sentence. This is way more related to your turn book. A sample sentence would be, physicists learned how to use the energy inside atoms. So physicists, if we know that that's related to nature or the body, then a physicist studies the nature or the body. And the definition, if you have to use this sentence to figure out what a physicist is, well, we know ist is someone who does a job. And we've got, there's Milo, scientists who study the nature of things. So you can see here that we used nature in the definition of physicist, because nature defines the Greek root phys. Good thing you're not taking notes. Okay, here's another one. Got deck or des. Des, well, that sounds a lot like diez. It refers to 10. And I have a definition for you, and that would be, not a definition, just an example. I'll go quickly. A decade. A decade is 10 years. So you see that how dec means 10 and a decade is 10 years. So there was a quick example for you. And then we have one more. You'll work with chron. Chron refers to time. And off the top of my mind, I could think of chronological. So now that you know that this refers to time, then my chronological age would be the number of my age. And that's all you need. You'll be working on your turn, page I think 147. You'll get words like this, and you have to define what the word means based on the context.